Are you just imagining that you can earn dollars just by clicking? Well, stop imagining, because in today's video, I will teach you how you can earn money just by visiting this website and earn money. Step 1. Turn on your phone or your laptop. Step 2 is to get to the website and click a lot. Step 3 is to cash out the money. Easy, right? This strategy is allowing people from all over the world to earn almost $40. Our method for today is really beginner friendly. It is completely free to use. And what's great about this method is you can do this again and again, increasing your chances of earning double, triple, or even quadruple. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn the exact website. I mentioned it in the first part or middle or maybe in the last part. So I suggest for you to not skip any parts of this video and watch this video until the very end. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. The first thing I want you to do is to visit this website. Now you can earn money by clicking ads. As you can see, you have to click on ads and get paid up to $0.1 each. Also, we have 100% referral earnings. Of course, you can refer someone, and just by referring someone, you can earn money. As you can see in their website, they paid almost $2 million already. Wow! And look at this. They have a total amount of members of 1,200,000 plus and still counting. This website has a lot of members. This actually means that this website is really legit, and this website will be gone and not a lot of people will use this if this website is not actually real. Well, if you're not a fan of PayPal, they have different methods to cash out your money. You can cash out by using Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, AirTM, and even in Bitcoin. If you're a fan of cryptos, this website is a perfect match for you. As you can see in the lower side of this website, they are paying up to $0.01 per click. We have a minimum of $2 payout. Again, they are accepting payments via Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, AirTM, and even in Bitcoin. They have 100% referral earnings. But before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from, because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. Also, you will not miss out every earnings that you have because they have detailed statistics of every clicks you do. Also, they have professional support. That is why if you have any questions or any problems experiencing with their website, you can contact them 24/7. So to actually start using this website, click on register button at the upper part of this website. It's gonna lead you to this registration page after you click on that. Now type in your entire name, your birthday, username, password, email address. Following that, scroll down a little bit to see this payment option. Now to just be more specific, you have the choice of using Payeer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, AirTM, Litecoin, Dash, and lastly, Faucet Pay. On the right hand side, you will find this image verification and simply type in the letters that you see on this. Then to accept this website's terms and conditions, click this button and finally click the register button to complete your account and begin earning money right away. As you can see at the bottom, you have these banners at the bottom of the website, and if you click on them, you get sent to a page where you will have to stay for 60 seconds in order to earn $0.5. But Let's get to that topic later, but for now, please click the Earn More category in the upper part of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Scarlet Grid. After that, you will be directed to this page, where you will find this image. This image contains 560 boxes each. Every box contains a single advertisement. Keep in mind that every single advertisement you open for at least 60 seconds will pay you $0.5. Isn't that amazing? Now this website is called scarlet-clicks.info. Take a peek at the folks from all around the world on the right side of your screen to see how much money they're making using this strategy. These folks have made this much money from a single ad. If you scroll down further, you will see that some of them have made considerably more and you can get the next one in line. Let's start clicking one of the boxes in this image to fully demonstrate this process. After one click, I will be taken to a random website just like that. All we have to do is to stay for at least 60 seconds to earn $0.5. That is all there is to do it. Let's see if we can figure out how much money you can make just by watching advertising. As there were 560 boxes available, it's worth $0.5, so you make roughly $280. You just need to visit every website that Scarlet Grid has. Remember that there isn't just one photo on Scarlet Grid. Each photo reset every day at midnight is stated right here. That effectively implies that the amount of money you earn is entirely up to you. You may do it again and again every single day to optimize your earnings. Isn't this a great way to earn money? Right now, I will give you a bonus tip. Click as many boxes as you can at once, and you will be able to multiply your money with the least amount of time and work if you do it in this manner. The second piece of bonus information that I will share to you is that if you are fortunate enough to open the box containing video advertisements, you will receive an additional $3 instead of $0.5. As you can see, I will make $3 in an instant if I finish viewing this video right now. So if you want to get that bonus money, I recommend that you click all the boxes. Now I strongly advise that you stay a little longer and watching this whole tutorial to get extra bonus advice and information to help you improve your performance. To take a step back, let's talk about the previous bonus information I gave you at the beginning, which by clicking the banner advertising on the web pages you visit. You will get more money if you click on those. To fully illustrate, if I click on this banner right now, I will be directed to another page where I will stay for another 60 seconds and earn an additional $0.5. Now let's move on, and I need to take a look at this leaderboards at Scarlet Clicks. I want to inform you that if you are one of the top 10 earnings for the month, you will receive bonuses and more cash. And that is why you must follow all recommendations as well as the bonus information I shared earlier. You can always go back and watch the video and get any of the helpful tips. Make sure you use all of those suggestions when viewing advertisements so that you will be able to have a spot here and possibly earn incentives. Now the last piece of information that I will give to you right now is to go to Scarlet Clicks as soon as possible and click on Earn More category to see all of the ways you can make on the platform. Check out all of these and you almost certainly earn $40 or more in no time by simply viewing advertisements, and that is how you can make money just by viewing ads. Because who doesn't want to earn money, right? Everyone should do this method because we only need to stay in this website for 60 seconds and that is it. We will earn money. Also, there are more ways on how to earn money using Scarlet Clicks, and that is why I suggest for you to browse this website, create an account, and start earning money. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. and I will see you in the next video. Bye!